Tari money.
I'll come back with myself as it is.
Naiinip kasi, you're
Coins? So laba. Now, Kuya Milan, you buy na, Kuya Milan. Don't think like double thinking. Doc Milan is now kidding.
Don't come home. That's why we got two.
Okay.
Watch. This one.
This is limited edition.
It's Oy, where are you going?
SM.
You're going SM without me? What kind of person are you?
You are not allowed to go. I'm
Look.
wearing your watch.
Oo. Inaangkin mo na yung watch ko Ayan si Kuya Milan Very comfortable sa suot niya. Crocs
Should
and...
anyone wear that kind of cloth in SM?
Yes!
I don't think you
That's how people go and roam around in SM.
Really?
So, ayan. What you will bring for me pasalubong?
Nothing.
Tari money.
I'll come back with myself as it is.
Naiinip kasi, you're naiinip, you're bored here, that's why.
Yes.
Who are you going with?
James and Sally.
Ayan guys, pinapalabas ko si Milan, pinapasama ko siya kay Nasa Sherian
What
kasi
should I wear? Shoes or
naiinip
Crocs?
siya. That is fine na. Crocs is good. Relax. Relax lang.
That's it?
Uh-uh.
Like this?
Yes, like
If
that.
I'm going to beach mountain, I'm going to SM.
No. Very, very handsome. O, sige na. Say bye to them na.
Bye.
They won't be seeing you for a while today.
Okay, bye.
Shalom. Dito lang ako sa kwarto, guys. Hapon, hindi na ako sumama. Pinabayaan ko na lang na maglibot si Kuya Milanyo sa mall. Kasi medyo naiinip siya dito sa bahay. Gawa ng hindi nga ako makalabas. Actually, kanina, ayaw niya pang sumama. Kasi nga, mag-isa nga lang ako. Sabi ko sa kanya, paano naman ako mag-isa dito sa bahay? Nandito naman yung mother ko, father ko, tsaka yung kapatid ko na si Kathleen. So, ang sabi ko sa kanya, sumama ka na kung gusto mong sumama. Kahit hindi mo gusto na sumama ka na para kahit papaano, masulit mo yung bakasyon mo dito sa Pilipinas. And, makapagpalamig ka man lang sa mall. Tapos, kasama mo naman yung mga kapatid ko, si James nga, tsaka yung girlfriend niya na si Sherry Ann. Since meron lang naman kasi silang bibilhin daw. So, hindi naman sila magtatagal. And, kailangan pa kasi nila mag-live mamaya. Kailangan naming magnegosyo and magbenta ng damit. So, babalik lang daw sila. So, sabi ko sa kanya, ayun, bumili ka doon ng pizza mo, kumain ka ng mga kinikrave mo na kinakain mo sa Pilipinas. Kasi meron siyang pinakagustong pizza dito, which is yellow cab pizza. So, laging yun yung ino-order talaga niya and yun yung namimiss niya. So, sabi ko sa kanya, punta ka doon, maglibot-libot ka and paayos mo na rin yung iWatch natin para ilagyan ng tempered kasi ayoko nagagasgasan nga. Hindi ko masuot-suot kasi baka magasgasan. So, sabi ko sa kanya, i-tempered glass muna. So, habang wala sila, matutulog lang ako guys and manonood ako ng movie. Bed rest ang buntis. Hindi ako pwedeng sumama sa kanila kasi nga maraming lalakarin, baka matagtag ako and nag-iingat na rin ako kasi ayokong may mangyaring masama sa baby. So, ayun. So, konting tiis muna ngayon. After ng mga anak, doon na lang tayo maggagala-gala. And kapag medyo lumaki-laki na yung baby, doon na lang tayo mag-tour-tour. So, tulog muna ako guys. Balitaan ko kayo sa mga kaganapan later.
kino-compute niya yung sukli niya kung tama. Then, binigay niya kay James. So, laba.
One only.
One only.
James. How much?
We have 599.
All Renata for phone ka?
Gusto mo kasi yung magkakat.
Yes, I have been watching.
Wala yung kasama niya.
Kaya mo.
Layati mo. Kababayan mo, Trisene.
Nang mo. Ako ba? Baby, hello. Hi.
Say hi.
Hi.
Si Doc Milan.
Hello po. You want this? 8 out of 10.
Why?
I don't like this.
You like after only?
No. I want different na trapdoor. Look, Boss James. You want this, Boss James? Ika ka in front. Ika ka in front. Wow, chillax only. Bye na.
I want it so badly.
Ano, Doc?
So, we are doing window shopping dito sa Philippines.
Ay!
Window shopping.
James, ano? Okay pa ba yung sapatos mo, be?
Papapalit na.
Magpapapalit na. Nainggit ka lang sa shoes ko niyan eh. Now, Kuya Milan. New buy na, Kuya Milan. Don't think na. Yeah, it's good. Look, oh. Ay! Yan, guys. Kuya Milan is of double thinking.
No more window shopping. Actual buying na.
Actually, buying na. Yan, guys. So, daming pagpipilian dito. Yan. Sobrang daming pagpipilian ni Doc Milan. Siya na lang po ang mahihirapan. Yan. Yan. Forma. Kuya Milan is now buying, oh.
Gusto mo ganyan? BBR?
Doc Milan is now fitting.
Magadidas na lang siya.
Ay, Doc Milan is...
Two shoes, not one. Because Elaine said you buy two or don't come home. That's why you got two.
Okay.
This is James.
What did you buy? Let me see. Ayan guys, ang daming binili ni Kuya Milan. What all did you buy? Shoes.
Because I cannot find this dish anywhere.
Ang ganda naman.
How is it?
It's my birthday gift to you. Or Valentine's gift. Or yours to yourself.
How is it?
Very good. Yay! Ang ganda. Kat, ang ganda, no? Ganda. Next, other one. May other one pa? Oo naman. Siyempre. We've been watching movie because you guys are not here.
You watch movie Yasin?
What did you watch? This one.
This is limited edition.
It's good also. That's why I asked you to go and buy it.
Limited edition, huh?
Let me see. Jordan? Wow! Ganda! Ayo nga.
And the signature.
Their signature? Ayo. Ayo. Ganda, Milan. Both are good.
Which one is better?
Both. Both are good. So
Which
good.
one is better?
So good na. No, Kat? Which one is better? Which one is better, Kat? Both. Both are good. This one kasi, you cannot wear on other occasions. Only on style occasion. But that one you can wear. And you cannot find this usually in India. I don't know. Probably very hard to find.
It's not possible.
Very good, right? Did you check the size?
Yes.
Ayan, guys, oh. Ayan, guys, oh. Kuya Milan brought me some cheese bread.
French.
And this one is garlic bread. So, we'll be eating this. It will be majay. Let's go and heat it. Let's go and eat the bread, guys. Napakalaki. And also, this garlic bread. Tikman natin siya. I want this one na, the one who is cut. I don't want to cut the big one. Taste the garlic bread. You're eating it with Szechuan sauce?
No, I
Szechuan
I'm
chutney.
just trying first.
Little only, ha? I'll try this.
I don't know how does it taste.
Very good with coffee. You want to drink coffee with it?
You? Napa sinay ko.
Yummy. Sarap.
It's become very, kodap.
You're good, right?
Very good combination.
Let me try.
Anak yung video. Edit mo.
Yummy. Tasty. Kain tayo. Ang dami natin ubos na bread.